What are affirmations and why are they tricky? Affirmations are positive statements you tell yourself, and they're another tool to help align your emotions with your desired goals. They can be tricky though, because they need to be used the right way. Affirmations are not subliminals. They aren't speaking directly to your subconscious mind. They're statements that your conscious mind hears, so it's essential that they are done with the following 3 things in mind. Use the right language. Affirmations should always be spoken in the present tense. For example, you say, "I am successful," not, "I will be successful." Otherwise, you're asking to be in a perpetual state of waiting for it. Affirmations should always be in a positive state, such as, "I am safe and secure," not, "I'm not scared." Otherwise, your brain may focus on the negative word, scared. Use positive and empowering language and state it as if the desired outcome is already happening. Feel the right emotions. It is super important that you feel the emotions invoked by the words of the affirmations. Otherwise, they're just words. Affirmations are useless unless you are truly feeling the feelings that come with the affirmation. If you hear, "I am a successful leader," and you're thinking, "Ugh, I wish that were true. I'm having trouble imagining that I can be," then all you're doing is reinforcing why you are not successful. If you can't feel the right emotions, then affirmations are not the right tool for you at this time. EFT tapping might be more beneficial to help clear the negative limiting beliefs before you move on to affirmations. Be consistent. Regular repetition of affirmations is key to rewiring the brain. You can write them down by journaling or scripting. Think about them in your head as you go about your day, or listen to guided affirmation videos. There are many ways to incorporate affirmations into your daily routine. Just like any other manifestation tool, affirmations will only be successful if you ingrain them into your daily habits and do them consistently.